Welcome to the Gus and Gia Puppet Show.
Welcome back to Fruits of the Spirit Part 2.
Yes, now we're looking at patience, kindness, and goodness.
That's right.
I would tell you a patience pun, but you might have to wait for it.
Gus?
I waited so long at the bank, I lost interest.
Gus!
I have one more.
I'll bet you have many more. But we need to understand patience as a fruit of the Spirit.
Oh, okay.
James 5:7. Be patient, therefore, brothers, until the coming of the Lord.
That's pretty clear. We are called to be patient.
I'm up for it. Are you guys?
Working on it right now.
It's not something you get immediately.
It's not?
Patience, meaning over time. Keep working on it.
Oh, okay. I get it now.
Good. Now, kindness. Zechariah 7:9. Thus says the Lord of hosts, render true judgments, show kindness and mercy to one another,
It makes me smile to receive kindness.
and to give kindness.
Definitely. Okay, I got goodness.
Let's hear it, Gus.
Psalm 23:6.
Together.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. God gives goodness. Why can't we?
And you bet we can. Okay, so now we've covered love, joy, and peace.
And patience and kindness and goodness.
Hang around for the final, part 3 of Fruits of the Spirit.
Wouldn't miss it.